Welcome to Tech Tuesday. All right, let's talk about the specs for the Apple Pencil Generation 2. It has Bluetooth 4.3, which is pretty exciting, and that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and compare it to a normal pencil. Here we go. Look at those sizes. They're basically identical. Oh, let's check out how a normal pencil writes. Oh, yeah, it writes. It writes pretty well on some paper. And then let's drop that and go over to the next one, and ooh, it looks pretty identical. So check off the pencil part of this whole entire thing. Like, let's go ahead and compare them. Look at that. Looking identical, both sloppy. Oh, yep. Don't forget the erasing. Oh, look at those little erasing bits, and you can still kind of see it. But with the Apple Pencil, you can go ahead and double tap, and let's go ahead and erase, and oh, it's completely gone. And you can even do little bits of erasing at a time. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. God damn, beautiful. All right, let's get into some of the fun features of this phone, because there is, look, oh, it's charging. You just slap it on the top. Oh, okay. There's also pressure sensitivity, as we just discussed. Look at that. It's so beautifully pressure sensitive. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just say you're taking some notes, you're doing some math, and oh my god, you make a mistake. 4 times 4 is 15. You just double tap real quick, and look at that. It changes. Look, it changes back and forth between the erase and the write. Now you can erase on the fly, tap it again, and now you can write the right answer. Amazing. And oh my god, you can go ahead and send a message to your viewers. That hi and subscribe. What does that mean? Look at this beautiful glory we have, and we can just twist off the tip and put a new tip. If you actually use this pencil that much, you can find new tips for it. Pretty awesome. All right, let's get into my final thoughts. First of all, you can follow a Bob Ross tutorial. Just don't look at my clouds. Don't look at them. It's beautiful. Look at the mountains. Look at it. Oh. Anyways, you can do fun activities. I love it. But the problem is that $129 price point is ridiculous. It is expensive. You can buy it used, because why not buy a pencil used as long as it works? And if you really want to, you can go check out the Apple Pencil USB-C, which is pretty new. It came out in November. And then the normal Apple Pencil Gen 1, which both of those charge via the USB or Lightning cable respectively. But most new iPads can only use the Gen 2 or the USB-C one. Now, if you would like a different comparison with other pencils, check out this awesome video by Mac Address. It's pretty dang good. They have an artist that goes over there and like practices with a bunch of different pencils, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This review is pretty quick and easy because it's an Apple Pencil. It's really cool. It's a great device. I really like it. Now, I don't use it that often. I also lose it a lot, and yeah, that's my review. Is that you should be able to track it or something. But it is pretty dang freaking awesome and snippy and wonderful. And if you're wondering what to pair it with, what iPad to get, I have a whole review about this iPad you can go ahead and get. Check it out. It's really awesome. Not a lot of views on it. I really love that video so much. Go click on it. Maybe subscribe. Love you guys. Come back next Tuesday for another tech video. Adios.